Hey loves, so today I'm going to be sharing this month's Boxycharm. So this month's box is themed all natural, so a lot of the products in here are gearing towards that. So the first thing I got in this month's box is the Luxie Gia. I don't even know how you say it. So in here there are 3 brushes. You get a foundation brush, which looks perfect for the all natural type of vibe. You'll get a precise crease brush, which is perfect for when you're gonna do cut crease, and a large blending brush, which is a little too large for my liking, but I guess it would work for some of you guys. Also in the box you get the Butter London palette, which looks like this. This is all earth tones. I've never tried any Butter London eyeshadows. I'm excited to try those to see if I like that. Also in the box is some Elemis. There's Superfood Mask. I've tried a lot of Elemis products and I really do enjoy them. This is from their Superfood line, which has exactly that. They're superfoods, so it's all superfoods base. Also in the box there's an Alamar lip gloss, which is this pretty pink glittery lip gloss. And lastly there is this gel, it says gel liner, but it's a pencil liner and it's a brown pencil liner. So that's pretty much what comes in this month's box. I already have makeup on. I have my foundation, I have blush, and I have highlight. I have everything. Since in the box there's pretty much nothing for the face, so I am gonna do my eyes and I'm gonna use the Butter London. I'm also gonna use the brushes in here. So I won't be using this one because I already did my foundation and all, but they are super soft and they look really nice. I like the fact that they're wooden. I'm gonna use the crease brush and I will try to use this little brush right here. So in the palette, there's pretty much only 2 matte shades. So the palette is called Natural Goddess. Take Temptress, which is that darker brown shade, and I'm going to add this on the outer part of my eyes. Concentrating it mainly on the outer part and bringing whatever's left inwards. I don't know if you guys can see the difference. I am using this e.l.f. brush because this brush is a little too tapered out. Like, I don't know if you guys can see how big it is compared to the e.l.f. one. For these kind of brushes, instead of these, I feel like these put product all over the place. Not that precise, and if you're like me and you have hooded eyes or you don't have that much lid space, it kind of puts product everywhere and I'm not about that. I would probably use this to add color all over. I would not use it as a crease brush. So building that shade up. So I'm going to take this big brush and I'm just going to blend out the color. That's the only purpose I see for it. Taking the shade Diva right over here with a smaller brush. I'm going to add this on the front part of the lid. This is a very pretty gold. Taking another blending brush, I'm just going to blend everything. Temptress shade onto the gold. Cleaning this brush off, I'm going to take a little bit of Enchantress and I'm going to add it to my brow bone. A pencil brush, I'm going to get more of Enchantress, which is the lightest shade in the palette. And I'm going to put this right on the inner duct. And then I'm going to take the blue, which is called Femme Fatale, right at the end. And I'm going to add this on my on my lash line. So I kind of wish the liner that came in the box was a colorful liner. I feel like that would be more summery. But I'm going to use an LA Girl eyeliner, which is really affordable. And I'm going to add that on the waterline. So I'm going to add it on the waterline where I put that teal color. I'm going to add some glitter. Add Starfire from Urban Decay. This is really pretty bronzy gold. And I'm going to add this on where I'm going to add it on top of that Diva shade to make it a little bit more interesting. I'm gonna go ahead and put back my lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and put the Alamar lip gloss in Mother of Pearl. It's really pretty, it's very sheer. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It kind of goes with that natural-esque vibe that the box had going on. So for the box, I really, like I mentioned, I really do like the Elemis. I have tried their mask before and definitely recommend. I also did enjoy their brush. I don't see myself using their foundation brush because I don't really use foundation brushes, but I did really like the precision crease brush. It was very nice, and I did like this to blend all over the shadow. As for the palette, I don't really like it. One, these aren't really shades that I would go towards. They're very neutral for me. I don't really go for these combos, but I didn't like the Temptress color. I felt like it was a little patchy and hard to blend. Didn't really like this. I did like the teal and the Diva color. This was really pretty. The gold, absolutely gorgeous. However, the highlight color was a little bit, I felt like the highlighter color was just not highlighty enough. I don't know, it kind of comes out nice when you swatch it on your finger, but when you put it on, it doesn't show how I would like it to show. Overall, I don't like this palette. I also did like the Alamar lip gloss. It smells really nice. It's nice and sheer. It's not sticky on the lips, which if you know me, you know I don't like really sticky lip glosses, so I really enjoyed that too. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.